Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Vibha, a mathematics teacher in India and a huge edtech enthusiast. It gives me immense pleasure to share tidbits of information with others. Let's dive right into today's video. Today is the 22nd of December, and this day is celebrated as the National Mathematics Day in India. This is to commemorate the birth anniversary of the great Indian mathematician Srinivas Ramanujan, who lived during the British rule in India. With almost no formal training in pure mathematics, he made major contributions to mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite series, and continued fractions. He also came up with solutions to several mathematical problems that were then considered unsolvable. Along with other biographical works, his life story was also told through a British film, The Man Who Knew Infinity, directed by Matthew Brown. To mark this day, this time being celebrated during the COVID pandemic, I'm going to talk about my 5 most favorite tech tools for teaching mathematics in my digital classroom. Let's get started. First is Geogebra. Geogebra is a dynamic application with numerous activities and explanations of the concepts in geometry, algebra, statistics, and calculus. You can use it for demonstrations and for conducting some interactive class activities with your students. Useful for STEM educators from primary to university level, Geogebra is available on multiple platforms with apps for desktops, tablets, mobiles, and web. This one has been a real lifesaver for me during digital teaching. Equatio. Equatio software allows us to create mathematical equations, formulas, and more directly on our computers. We can simply type, handwrite, or dictate any mathematical expression, and Equatio will convert it to accurate digital math. Extremely helpful for STEM educators, it can be added to a Microsoft Word document. It can also be used with all the G Suite apps by installing it as a Chrome extension. Then I have Desmos. Desmos is an advanced graphing calculator implemented as a web application and a mobile application. In addition to graphing both equations and inequalities, it also features lists, plots, regressions, interactive variables, graph restrictions, simultaneous graphing, piecewise function graphing, 2 types of graphing grids, along with many other ready-made classroom activities. Next is the website Math Open Reference. This website has some really useful and interesting resources for topics ranging from algebra to geometry to some trigonometry and calculus. What I personally love about this one is for its resources on construction. Step-by-step procedures of construction of lines, angles, triangles, and many other polygons are shown in a very easy and comprehensive manner. You must check it out to save some of your precious time. Lastly, I have EdPuzzle. Well, this one is not really limited to maths. You may use EdPuzzle for any other subject. Convert a YouTube video into a lesson. Put in some questions after or during your video. When your students watch the lesson, the video will get paused and not move further until they answer the given question correctly. This is a great tool for hybrid teaching or even for flipped classrooms. So this was a little list of my favorite math tech tools I use regularly in my digital as well as regular classrooms. If you are a math educator, please do leave the names of your favorite tools in the comments below. I'd love to hear your suggestions. Wishing you all a happy National Mathematics Day.